Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this tutorial. I am Zain Hamadi, a research scientist at the German Aerospace Center. I will hold this tutorial with my colleague Olaf Maipal, in which we present our open source development library Tasking Framework. Tasking Framework has been in use and under development since 10 years. In this year, we managed to make it open source. We will use the first session to present the agenda and to introduce ourselves. The tutorial is divided into 4 main sessions. After this session, we present the tasking framework in a nutshell, showing the motivation and basic features. Next, we present tasking framework in details. The third main session is a hands-on session in which you will learn how to clone, how to build, and how to write your first example using tasking framework. Then, we present an outlook on some projects using tasking framework and some ideas to improve tasking framework and potential research. Then there will be an online question and answers session to answer all your questions about this tutorial. As I mentioned before, my colleague Olaf Maipal and myself will be with you in this tutorial. Please feel free to contact us. Now, let me introduce the group of onboard software systems who developed Tasking Framework. You may know or have heard about the German Aerospace Center, DLR. As the graph here shows, the main interest is in space and aeronautics, beside energy, transport, security, and digitalization. The Onboard Software Systems group belongs to the Institute of Software Technology. The group is located mainly in Braunschweig, and 2 colleagues are in Oberpfaffenhofen. The group works on many projects, for instance SCOSA, Plato, Galileo. Our main mission is to provide dependable real-time software for space systems. For that end, we focus in our research on model-driven software development, real-time execution platforms, reconfigurable distributed onboard systems, verification, validation, and software quality assurance. The group addresses different topics in different projects, like in your onboard computer architectures, as in SCOSA, guidance, navigation, and control software, Embird, command and data handling, as in MIOS, payload software, as in MIOS and PECAL, software product assurance, like Plato. The group has shown success in onboard software engineering and development for space systems, as well with software quality and product assurance, based software development, software integration, model-driven software development, and design of dependable software systems. Are you interested to know more about our projects, publications, or maybe interested in collaboration? Then don't hesitate. Contact us, send us an email, or you can check our website and also follow the group on the ResearchGate to follow our publications. If you have any question, please attend the live Q&A session to ask your question. It is on Sunday at 11 EDT at 5 p.m. Berlin time. I will be there to answer all your questions. So, see you later in the next session.